guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Bottega Veneta unboxing. So I have several packages here and I'm so excited because this is my very first items from Bottega Veneta. But anyway, let's start with this smallest box right here. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. And they actually package this nicely, just like this. And look at that right away. Look at that with this beautiful dust bag. Oh wow, the dust bag is actually very soft. Wow, the felt feels so nice. The felt feels so nice. So let's see what I got here. Okay. Oh wow. So let's see what else. Looks like there's a paper inside. Oh, okay. This seems to look like a product information though. But anyway, okay. I got this beautiful card holder. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at the color. The color is amazing. Oh my gosh. So this one right here is just plain. And then it says Bottega Veneta made in Italy. Very nice. This one is in color, if I'm not mistaken, it's in color parakeet. That's the color. It's just more likely like bright green though. And then, okay. So how many card slots do we have here? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots right here. Okay, I saw something. Oh, I see. This is more likely a serial number right there on the inside. That's very interesting. And also right here at the front, this is actually the only part that were, the weave design, the intrecciato weave design. It's just right here. So it is so cute. The reason why I purchased this, it's because of the color. The color is absolutely amazing. This one has this beautiful gold hardware right here. This is more likely not really gold, but the color is more likely a almost like a rose gold to me. That's what upon looking at it, maybe champagne gold. It's not like a gold color. So the inside, it's actually lined with this calf skin leather. I think this one is 50% lambskin and 50% calf skin though. I'm not 100% sure. But regardless, this is made up of leather inside and out. That's what makes it more amazing. So just like this. Yeah, it's very simple. Just like that. You put some, basically I don't really carry coins, so I could just use this in some of my cards. But like I mentioned, the only reason why I purchased this, it's because of this beautiful, lovely color. It's in color parakeet. Beautiful color. Oh my gosh. And also on the side right here, the glazing is amazing. Wow, this is actually very well done. It's like you could barely see it. The glazing, it actually, the combination of this color and then right here, the glazing actually blends in perfectly. Like you barely notice it. So anyway, this is the first item. We have a card holder. So moving on to the next item. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this, guys. And I actually contemplating whether I wanted to get this or something else that's more functional. But anyway, I decided to get this piece. That's because I have something in mind that I want this piece to be transformed into something more useful. And also the color is amazing. So anyway, let me open the box right here. And okay, it's the other way around. And here comes Okay, let me just take this out right here and put it in the side. Okay. Okay, what's going on here? Okay. So this one is in the large dust bag right here. Once again, the dust bag feels so amazing. Very, very soft. So anyway, let me show you what I got. Okay. Again, on this beautiful, beautiful color. The parakeet color. The parakeet color. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let me just put this on this side. Oh wow, the color is stunning, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. Look at the Bottega Veneta trademark pattern. The intrecciato weave design is absolutely amazing. Look at that. The color is stunning. By the way, this is a toiletry case, but I will be transforming this into a crossbody bag. So that was what I initially was thinking, if I could transform this into a crossbody bag. Wow, I can tell that this one is handmade though. I'm not sure if this weave design, the intrecciato design right here, the machine could do this. Maybe not, maybe in the future, but I think this one is absolutely amazing. Wow, very lovely. This is how it looks on the side. Right there, this one is a pull tab right here in a leather as well. So this one is made up of 50% lamb skin and calf skin as well. Very soft, and on top of that, smells so delicious. I always love the smell of the real leather. Oh my gosh, it's just, if I could just smell it all day long, I'd be fine. It smells so good, so refreshing. So anyway, let's take a look at inside. Okay, the inside, this one has a large opening, guys. Wow, look at that. Obviously, you could fit a lot of things in here. And oh my gosh, the smooth leather inside, the lining is absolutely amazing. And it says right there, made in Italy. There is a side flat pocket on this corner. It's actually pretty large though. Wow. Oh my goodness, I am totally impressed by this, by its craftsmanship. That the leather right here, leather, there's no fabric on this. Absolutely, these are all made up of leather. That's what makes it so special. Wow. And this one is the pull tab right here. Yeah, this one is, like I mentioned, on the other item, this is more likely a rose gold. I'm not really sure, because I had a feeling that this was described as gold hardware, but like a yellow gold hardware. But then again, you have yellow gold, rose gold. So this one's champagne gold, more likely a rose gold though, not a yellow gold. So, well, regardless, this one is amazing. Wow. Wow, I am totally impressed by the leather. The leather is absolutely amazing. So here's what I was originally thinking of using this. Let me get something. I have several chains here, and I know that I am a big fan of a chunky chain. And of course, definitely I will be using this chunky chains on this beautiful purse. So I still have to figure it out and how to attach this chain on the purse, or maybe I could just use an insert. But yeah, I will definitely gonna figure that one out this weekend. And this is the chain. This is how it looks. So I think this would look great, like just like this. Oh my gosh, look at that. With this beautiful lovely chain, it is just a this chain actually taking the purse into the next level, guys. Look at that. Just with this chain, this is similar to the Bottega though, but this one is really heavy. This one right here, another one. So this one would work as well. I have several there. Probably I have at least 6 more and chains. And I think this one, I think my best bet would have been this. This one is exactly perfect. So what I would do is probably I put a D-ring right here in this corner on this side and get an insert or something where I could just hook this right here. But I think it would be perfect if I could just put a D-ring right here on this corner and I could just attach this right just like that, and it would look amazing. Oh my gosh, that was what I was initially thinking when I purchased this toiletry case. And this one is priced, surprisingly, this one is priced as $1,200 US, which is highly affordable, because I know with the Bottega, once they put the chain in it, it's gonna be like around $2,000. And if ever they would come up with something with the chain, with its mini bags, it's like, it's just just too tiny, too small, like you could barely fit anything in it. But yeah, I plan to put this in this chain, and I think it would look gorgeous. It would look amazing. Wow. Also right here, yeah, I was thinking, yeah. And also right here at the bottom, I really like that this one has, I think there were 3 inches on its width right here, which you could definitely put a lot of stuff. And it is, even though this one is made up of lamb skin and calf skin, 50% of each of those leather, this one looks like it has structure to it. So that's what I like about it. So you could just lay it on a table like that without falling down. So it looks amazing. And then this is my matching wallet. Isn't that gorgeous? So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.